In this short video, I'll show you how to set Discord server verification level. Setting a Discord verification level for a community server is highly recommended by Discord. This sets a certain level of restriction for people before they can send a message in a text channel or initiate a direct message conversation. This is a great way to prevent unwanted messages in your Discord server from spammers and scammers, for example. So to set a Discord verification level for your server, in your server, locate your server name and click on the drop-down arrow. Once done, look for server settings and click on server settings. In your server settings, scroll down until you see where it says moderation, and underneath moderation, look for safety setup and click on safety setup. You should then see verification level. So if you set a verification level, members of the server must meet the following criteria before they can send messages in text channels or initiate a direct message conversation. If a member has an assigned role and server onboarding is not enabled, this does not apply. We recommend setting a verification level for a community server. Currently, I've set the verification level at the highest, which means people must have a verified phone number on their Discord account. Most likely, you have a verification level of unrestricted. So to change or set up a Discord verification level, click on Change. Scroll down so you can see the full picture of the verification levels. From the lowest level of verification, it's None, which means unrestricted. It basically means anyone can send a message in your Discord. The next verification level is Low, which means they must have a verified email on their Discord account. This is a great option as it requires people to verify their email address tied to their Discord account. The next one is Medium, must also be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. So the medium verification level requirement combines the low level requirement too. High must also be a member of the server for longer than 10 minutes. Again, for high, this combines the low level also, meaning they need a verified email and need to be a member of 10 minutes in your Discord server before they can send a message. And lastly is the highest level, which is the current one I have set for my Discord server, must have a verified phone number on their Discord account. And this combines highest, high, and low all together, so they need a verified phone number on their Discord account, a verified email address on their Discord account, and they need to wait 10 minutes before sending a Discord message in your server. I'm going to be keeping my Discord server verification level on highest. Once you've chosen your verification level, you can click on the X right here or press escape on your keyboard to go back to your Discord server. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to set up Discord server verification level. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?